Yeah, like what do you think it'll look like when you get down there? What's your job gonna like consist of?
I'm not sure. I really have no idea.
An emergency humanitarian food assistance in response to Cyclone Idai and related flooding in Mozambique. This is the worst natural disaster in southern Africa in nearly 2 decades.
Combined Joint Task Force Horn of Africa can respond in a matter of hours to any crisis or contingency anywhere within the continent of Africa. The unique thing about Combined Joint Task Force Horn of Africa is the first capability that we have is proximity. There is a clock. Obviously, we want to get to the affected area as soon as possible. We can reach the problem area faster than most other forces. Our role will be to mostly fly logistics and deliver bulk supplies for USAID, and USAID will then distribute those to other aid organizations that are responding as well.